Cloves, the special herb that will change your life completely. Cloves are not only spices used in the kitchen, but they are also herbs used as medicine. Cloves are used by our great-great-grands in ancient years to perform different rituals. Cloves are used in so many special ways, like you can use cloves to attract riches and prosperity. You can use cloves to attract money. You can use clothes to attract customers in case you are doing businesses. Yes, if you want to draw lots and lots of money, you can use clothes. You can also use clothes to drive away bad energy. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the special benefits of cloves and how to make use of it. And before I start this video, I want to put this out there. Just know every plant that was created on this world has its purpose. Nothing was created by luck. Everything was created for a reason, to solve a problem. Yes, so if you see a plant that has been praised by people that it's very important, please try it and make use of it, and you'll see wonders. You'll see how miraculous that plant is. Yes, I believe in herbs and I believe in nature. So tapping into blessings of nature is more than a miracle. So we have to make use of these spices. Yes. So if you are jumping from problem to problem, you always have unstoppable problems. What you are going to do is to get just 2 cloves, burn them outside your house. Only 2 cloves, and as you are burning them, make sure you mention all your wishes. After that, your problems will be solved. Number 2, to attract riches and prosperity, you are going to get 2 green candles. Green means light. Light means when you are successful. So if you want to be a successful person, you are going to get 2 green candles. Stick 9 or 7 cloves into those candles and burn them. You must burn this after the sunset. Yes. And trust me, you will succeed in everything that you do and all your wishes will come true. Number 3, for protection. If you want to use cloves for protection, you are going to get just 9 or 7 cloves and wrap in a white cloth. Just wrap in a white cloth and always keep it next to you, maybe in your wallet or your pocket. There is no evil that will come next to you. Even the black eye, anything that will be sent to you will run away immediately, because cloves drive away negative energy. They drive away evil. Number 4, you can use cloves to open closed ways. You can use cloves to unlock your blessings. What you are going to do is to get cloves and grind together with white eggshell. Grind together with white eggshell and add in your bath water. You don't have to use soap. Bath late in the night. As you are saying, all your wishes will come true immediately. Number 5. By making use of clove, you can be successful in everything that you touch. That's how you attract prosperity and riches. You are going to get just 1 clove and put it beside your bed before you sleep. Pray with it, and early in the morning, burn it before you head to work or before you do anything. Trust me, you are going to be successful in everything that you do. All your wishes will come true. Number 6, by making use of cloves, you can send away negative energies away from your home, around your business. You are going to get cloves, a little bit of cloves, and boil them. As you are boiling them, I want you to pray over them and sprinkle water around your home, around your compound, around your business, around your area. As you are sprinkling this water, still pray above it, and trust me, negative energy will never cross your home or your house again. Number 7, by specially making use of cloves, you can stop evil eye. So if you want to stop evil eye, you are going to get just 1 lemon and 4 cloves. Cut the lemon into a half and insert the cloves into there. Insert 4 cloves into there and head over to the junction of your choice. You are going to drop 1 cloves into every direction. East, north, south, and west. Yes, and drop the lemon into the junction, into the middle of the junction. Walk straight to your home. There is no evil eye that will follow you from that day onwards. Evil eye will be closed completely. Number 8. By making use of cloves, you can stop people gossiping about you. If people are talking bad about you, pointing bad about you, you are going to get red and black candle. You are going to get 2 candles and burn them together. You can decide to break them, Okay, after breaking them, you are going to get clove powder, sprinkle around and burn those candles. As you are burning them, make sure to say your intentions. Make sure to bend the mouth of people who are talking bad about you, and no one will ever talk bad or gossip about you or point any finger onto you. Draw more sales into your business. By making use of clothes, you can attract lots and lots of customers into your business. What you are going to do is to get a little bit of clothes and tie into a white cloth. Write your intentions on a piece of paper and tie them both together. After that, insert them in your business or in your drawer. You can decide to keep them at your home and always pray over it before heading to your work. Trust me, you will see lots and lots of customers coming to support you. Number 9, to draw good luck to yourself, add clothes to your bath water and say your intentions. Say your intentions and pray over it. Trust me, wherever you go, you'll be luck. You'll be receiving good lucks and good things to you, good news to you, and everything will be successful on your side. Number 9, by making use of clothes, you can draw good luck to your home, and to whoever comes to visit your house will live with a blessing and a testimony. What you are going to do is to burn clothes to time, not on a daily basis, but at least be consistent. Trust me, everything that you do will be successful and your home will be a blessing. Number 11, you can make use of clothes to attract rich people. Only rich people will come into your life and they will ask to help you. What you are going to do is to get cloves and put in clove powder. Yes, grind it together and put in your cream. Make sure you apply on your body before heading outside. And let me tell you, only rich people will ask to be in contact with you. Only rich people will ask to be friends. They will ask to help you in everything. Number 12, do you think that you are weak spiritually? By making use of cloves, you can open your third eye to see spiritual things in a spiritual world. What you are going to do is to grind cloves into cloves powder, and you are going to get olive oil, mix them together, and always apply in the forehead of your face. Apply as you are wishing, saying your wishes, and to say that you want to open your third eye so that you can see things spiritually. There is nothing that will harm you when you have a third eye, because that way you get to see things in a spiritual world on a deeper level. So, guys, those are some of the spiritual benefits of using cloves and how to make use of them. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can support this channel by sending me a super thanks. See you in my next video. Bye.